All right, so now that we have the app started, we've accepted all the default values, and you'll notice I did not this time include that template. Now, if I wanted to do the template, I can just click on Start a New File, and I can go right back through, everything except maybe I grab that How Truss. Okay, so this video is really about these 4 tools. We have the joint tool, which a joint is where 2 pieces of steel are going to come together. Because the roadway is already done under here, you don't need to go over top of these with new joints. You notice when I click that, nothing happens and the price doesn't change up here. If I do click someplace where it does add a joint, you're going to notice that my price changed. So if you look up here, when I add a joint, bam, you notice it just went up a little bit. So just like I did in class, I selected this template. I'm going to put those joints in there, and then I'm going to switch over to adding the steel. Now remember, the steel, we have carbon steel, high strength, low alloy steel, quenched, and tempered steel. There's 3 different options there. If you just choose the cheapest one, you can just drag. If your joints are all in a row, you notice I just dragged. But over here, each one of those joints is its own item. Excuse me, each one of these, even though I drew this as one long piece of steel, in between the joints, okay, there are individual pieces. You notice if I click on this one, it tells you it's number 4. I go over to my list here, and it's right there. Okay, so this is how we're going to add the steel pieces. And once again, I do not expect this to work because I've tried this before, and I know for a fact it doesn't work, at least not at the price point we're trying to get to. And as a matter of fact, when I hit the test button, I got this unstable because I missed a couple pieces. Okay, so here's our test button right here, this light blue one. And there's animation controls. Right now it's sped up all the way. If you have a truck go over the bridge successfully, you might want to slow this down so you can see the results of the truck moving across the bridge easier.